Past simple. Be.
Julius Caesar was a famous Roman leader.
We use the past simple of the verb be to talk about a finished state in the past. Was is the past form of am and is. Were is the past form of are. Wasn't or was not is the past form of am not and isn't. Weren't or were not is the past form of aren't. We often use the past simple of the verb be with past time expressions, such as last week, in 2003, 3 years ago, yesterday.
We were on holiday last week. I was 5 years old in 2003. My friends were different 3 years ago. It wasn't very cold yesterday.
To form questions with the past simple of the verb be, we change the order of the subject and be.
Were you on time this morning? Who was your brother's first teacher?
We use there was or there were to talk about things in a place in the past.
There were lots of people at the concert.
We use there wasn't or there weren't to talk about things that didn't exist in the past.
There weren't any mobile phones 40 years ago.